I'm at the boat here and was hoping to get a couple more sails in before the end of the year, but it's getting cold. Temps are going to drop into the 20s, so it's time to winterize. And so I'll just do a quick little video here to show you how to winterize your sailboat with an inboard diesel. First thing you want to do is pick up some antifreeze. Make sure you get the stuff that's rated for engines. So it needs to say engine winterization. They make different temperatures. 60 is fine for me here in the Chesapeake. You might want to go with the 100 if you're in a colder climate. So I get a couple gallons of this for my Yanmar 2GM20F. Then I go in the back here. Some people will use the intake from the impeller. I just go straight to the seacock. And so I'll close the seacock so no water comes in. And then you want to take off that intake hose. Get these clamps nice and loose. I'll just pull them up here. We're out of the way. All right, now I got my clamps off. Sometimes these can be a little tough. You can put a heater on there, give it some heat to expand this hose, make it a little easier to come off. I also like to have a little tray handy to catch any water that's going to come out of your intake hose. Twist it, that'll kind of break the seal, and then it should be a little easier to pull off. Okay, that did not want to play nice, so I'm going to just put the heater on there, make it a little easier, hopefully, to pull off. So I'll let that sit there for a couple minutes. Here we go. This is draining out the water from the strainer. All right, so I've got my bucket filled up. I put some in the strainer. So I got a gallon in the bucket, poured more from this in the strainer. Now I'm single-handed, so you get all my jugs ready to go. I'm gonna go up, start the engine, come down, watch this. It sucks it up pretty quickly. So come down here and then continue to fill the bucket with these two jugs. Once I empty this jug, I'll run back up and shut it off. So I'll try to do this all by myself here. So I'm gonna turn it on. Run down there. Sucks it up quickly. Sucking it up real fast. Last jug. Okay, run. See it coming out the back. That's it. All right, that's how I do it. You know, it's probably only 2 gallons, but since I'm doing it by myself, I just do the 3 just for good measure. Then I have a little bit left. I'll just throw it in somewhere just to make sure everything's winterized. So that's it. Got a little bit left. So typically what I do is just take the extra and put it in my head. Of course, your last step will be to put the hose back on. I keep the seacock closed, and I'll just tighten those so we're ready to go next year. Another thing you're going to want to do is close all your seacocks. One year I forgot to do that, and when they pulled it out, the water like shot up out of my drain because of the difference in the water pressure. And yeah, that was fun. That's it. It's super easy, only takes 15-20 minutes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And you can check out some of my other videos. I've got a lot of how-to maintenance and some fun sailing trips. So till next time, I'll see you later.